What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com, home of the #1 crypto classes. If you want to take this complex world of crypto, make it super simple so that you have more success, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button right now, and everybody, including you, hit that thumbs up button. Bitcoin right now, as we speak, is forming the largest bull flag in its entire history, but it doesn't mean what you think it does. Do you know what it means? Write it in the comments down below. We'll see if you're correct. But welcome in, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope you and your family are safe during this difficult period that we are all faced with across the entire world. I hope you genuinely are doing well. Today is going to be an incredible video, and if you're new here, this is where we take a scientific approach to the charts. We avoid all the news, we avoid all the emotional opinions, and only the facts in the charts, and we keep it incredibly simple so that you finally understand technical analysis for the first time. If that interests you, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. So today we're really going to dive in to bull flags. This is something you're going to learn a tremendous amount about in this video, and by the end of the video you're going to have tools and skills where you can go and look for bull flags no matter what the time frame is, and you're going to have all the protocol to look for and how to know when they're going to break out, how to trade these, how high they can go, how long they stay in the bull flag. You're going to have all of those answers, as well as this massive bull flag that's forming right now with Bitcoin and how it doesn't mean what you think it means. By the way, are you sure you know what it means? Comment down below and we'll see if you are correct. But I hope you're taking notes during this video because it's going to be jam-packed. But going back to the coronavirus, it's a difficult time. It's uncharted territories for my lifetime and your lifetime, but we're in this together, and I'm here for you and our community is here for you. But one interesting thing that's happened during the coronavirus for Bitcoin is an explosion of demand for online Bitcoin courses have soared by over 300%. Not just our courses all around the world. People are flocking to Bitcoin courses during the coronavirus because simply they have more time. So this is your opportunity to not let people really jump over top of you and leave you stranded behind. Take control of your learning right now. Every trade, there's somebody on the winning side and the losing side, and with all these people jumping into learning right now during the coronavirus, this is a time for you. So you're aware we launched a new website. The feedback has been incredible. Thank you so much for all the feedback. We have a state-of-the-art learning platform for our students. We have payment plans, but I wanted to do something for this coronavirus for you and your family right now. Something we've never done is a 24-hour flash sale. All of our sales for the history are a few weeks. This is 24 hours only. Promo code coronavirus to save an extra $500 on the diamond or the gold. This is incredible. This is something I wanted to do to help you and your family during this difficult time so you're not left behind and you can start to jump over everybody else. Diamond and gold combo. Diamond combo is perfect for you if you're new to crypto and you've been in crypto for just a few months. You want to start right at step 1 and you want to start right from the beginning and know everything. That's the diamond combo. First link right down in the description. Or you have the gold. Have you been in crypto for a couple years? Then you start at the gold. You skip the beginner part. It's the top seller. It's the most popular by far. Second link right down in the description. But look at the savings. For example, with the gold, our top seller, save 400 plus another 100 if you use Bitcoin or Ethereum. And on top of that, use promo code coronavirus to save an extra 500. It's absurd. If you have any questions, email me info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. But You better email fast because it's only a 24-hour flash sale. So go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Don't be left behind. This is a special gift from my heart to you and your family to take control right now. Bull flags. A couple points I want you to understand about bull flags and have your notebook ready. Number one, there's a pull, and number two, there's a flag. Now, with the pull is high majority of the time an explosive move to the upside. It's a parabolic move to the upside followed with high volume, and that forms what's called the pull. Why is the pull important? Because you can take the pull, you can see the pull here and the flag here. You can take the pull, the length of the pull, and add it to the breakout point, and it will tell you more often than not the high point of the next move, where that move is going to. So I also want you to understand the flag. Before we get to that, there's bull flags and there's bear flags. How do you know which one it is? It's simple. Where is the pull coming from? If the pull is coming from down here up with the flag generally pointed down, that's a bull flag. If it's coming from an explosive move to the downside with the flag generally pointing up, that is a bear flag. And these flags, bear or bull, are essentially just a continuation formation. You can find them on any time frame, whether it's the 1 minute chart, the 1 hour chart, the 1 day chart, the 1 week chart, the 1 month chart, the 1 year. You can find them anywhere, and they all will follow these same guidelines that I'm explaining to you right now, right? So this is a a bull. How do we know? The pull is an explosive move to the upside with the flag pointing down. With our consolidation standpoint, in our instance, it's during a bear market. Now, with the flag, two things I want you to know with the flag. There's two lines, the top of the flag and the bottom of the flag. The top of the flag is our resistance, right? It acts as resistance for the entire time during the flag. And the bottom of the flag is our support. Plain and simple, they must be parallel. These two lines must be parallel to be a traditional flag. If they're not parallel, they need to be almost identically parallel, and then it would be considered a textbook flag. So we have our resistance, we have our support. Now, how far can the flag go down? Well, some traders will argue that as long as the flag doesn't go below our previous low, then we're fine. But in my experience, with all formations, they're not 100% accurate. To make it more accurate, here's an additional rule. Don't allow the flag to go more than half the distance of the length of the pull. Plain and simple, don't let the flag go more than halfway of the distance of the pull. And then more than likely, it will be a positive outcome. Now, how to trade these things. If you find one of these in any time frame, I want you to trade the confirmation. This is where a lot of traders go wrong. And you may really well think the same as where a lot of traders go wrong. When they want to trade patterns, they're also trading other forms as well. And they have some concentration over here and over here. If you want to be a pattern trader, only focus on patterns. I suggest to really focus in on one and master it. Now, you want to trade the confirmation. Most people will see one of these flags forming and they'll just buy at any point during it and just hope for the best. But you have to trade the confirmation, meaning when was this confirmed as a breakout? Was it this candle? What do you think? No, it's not this candle. Why? Because we haven't confirmed this line as support. Remember, it's been resistance for, I think this one's 180 days, and we have a candle that's broken through, but we haven't confirmed it. We confirmed it with this candle. That's where traders will enter a long position at this candle. Now, you may say, well, Steve, okay, I kind of understand these bull flags better, but you said in the beginning of the video, Bitcoin is forming its biggest ever right now, but it's not what I think it means. What does it mean? Did you comment down below? Because we'll see if you're correct by the end of it. So we've gone through pretty rapidly a lot of information on bull flags. Do you feel a lot better about bull flags? I want you to go find some in charts after this video, but let's understand them a little bit better, how Bitcoin deals with them over time. We need to understand how long we've been in these bull flags, right? This one, we were in for 182 days. I want you to remember that number. So this one started back in 2011 and went to December 2011. So about 6 months, 180 days, we are inside of this bull flag. But let's fast forward, because we entered another one here in 2013. We entered another one. And by the way, it was also during a bear market. Now, this one was a little bit longer. Again, we had a very explosive move to the upside. You can clearly see our pull here. You can clearly see the flag here. We did not go more than halfway down the length of our pull, and we stayed within our pull with confirmation that this level was our resistance throughout, touching here in January, touching here in June, touching here in November 2014, fast forward to July 2015, still acting as resistance. We have our parallel lines, the bottom acting as support. Again, the breakout was with this candle here in October 2015, which, by the way, was also our golden cross. So we had a golden cross and a breakout of a long bull flag. How long was it? We remember our previous one was 180 days. This one was more than 600 days. Do you sense a pattern? Now, first one, 180 days. You can see the beautiful pull and the flag. You can see this next pull and this flag. Let's look at it from one other angle. We have another one here, and this is the total market cap. Bitcoin and all of crypto formed a long-standing bull flag starting in 2015, right? Starting in 2015, see this beautiful pull up. You can see that we held this resistance line and held our support line for the entire time of the bull flag. This was one that we also covered on our channel and told everybody be ready, and we saw about a 300% increase from our bottom here to the top. This was our breakout candle in April 2019. So now you have significantly more knowledge and tools about bull flags. But let's look at what is taking place right now, and we'll see if you're correct. By the way, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that button right now. Look down there, and if it's red, do not let it be red. Hit that button, and everybody hit that thumbs up button. You're learning a lot, and it will really help our YouTube algorithm. This is where we stand today. And you may say, well, Steve, one of them was 180 days, and the other one was about 600. This one doesn't look like much, but it is. These are 3-month candles. So to back up, our first chart we were looking at were weekly charts. Right? We were looking at this weekly formation, and then we looked at a monthly formation with the total market cap, and now we're looking at a 3-month chart. Just so you can easily digest this information, we'll look at it on a monthly time frame in a moment, but what I want you to notice is we really respected this level and respected this level since 20K. Right? We'll look at it on the monthly, and it will make a little bit more sense to you as we zoom out here. Okay, so this is the monthly chart, right? We're gonna go right to the bodies here, and you can see that this formation This trend line is the most significant that we've seen in all of Bitcoin. If you were to draw one trend line in your charts, I want you to have this one. This is the be all end all of trend lines in all of crypto. You have to follow this one. Why? Because you can see the bodies here, and you can see all of the bodies here and the bodies here. This, in my estimation, will be a very pivotal trend line for at least the next year. So have this on your charts. Again, we've talked a lot about 10.5K. That's to reverse the trend. Now, we're in a bull flag, right? We're in a bull flag here. You can see here in 2015 is when we started our pull, and we're in our flag now. You remember it was 180 days and then about 600 days. And why is this one different? Well, let's just take and get an idea of how long we have been in here so far. And we're in here almost 900 days already. We're in here almost 900 days already. What's different is these past formations saw moves from the top to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top. And you can see the one we're in now went from the top to the bottom to the top. It's very slow moving. And you can see the correlation that we pointed out before. The first one, 180 days. Next one, 600 days. These appear to be getting a little bit longer as time goes on, although not a lot of data points. But plain and simple, this is our resistance line and this is our support line. Meaning, if this were to continue and we touch the bottom, where does that put us? And around what time frame? Well, we can easily see this candle that we're in now, right? This is a monthly candle. If we were to suddenly plummet, which would be fairly unlikely, but if we were to suddenly plummet in this month all the way to the bottom trend line, it would put us right at about 2.6K. If we were to plummet down in a few months from now, say July or August, we're at about 2.4K. This is our trend line that's acted as support. Again, it's acted as resistance back here in August 2017. It acted as support in October, and then continued support back in November 2018 all the way through February 2019. It's been a critical support level for us. So with traditional bull flags, you often see at least 3 touch points inside of a bull flag. We've got 1, 2, 3. We'll see if we continue our 4th and have our bottoming with the ABC correction forming a lower low, and we'll see if we can come out of that. The one thing that's apparent in all bull flags, in order to break out of it, is volume. There needs to be significant volume coming in. Why? Because we've got to break through what has been an incredibly powerful resistance point for an extended period of time. So that's what we need to see enter the market. Now, why is this different? I said at the beginning that we're forming the largest bull flag we've ever had, which is right in front of us. And it'll be a little bit different than what you expect. Well, when you hear bull flags being discussed, it's generally on short time frames, and it usually means to your ears that good news is right around the corner and explosion coming. Not with a big extended bull flag such as this one. This one's very slow and methodical, but we're staying within our channel. So how is it different? Timing. When you hear bull flag, you think it's time to go to the moon. This one, not so much. It's time to be patient and see if we can actually break above this top resistance here. We tried to do that. We got rejected back in June 2019. We fell all the way down here to 6.4. We came back up with another move that the bulls really tried to get us through this critical resistance line, and we couldn't. We were shot down with the bodies of our candles here, and it pushed us even lower. We're trying to gain some momentum to retest, and if we fail again, we're going to be pushed down more than likely even lower. The good news is this wick represents a ton of buying pressure. A lot of buyers stepped in at this level. You remember the drop all the way down to 3.7K. It caught everybody by surprise unless you watch our channel. And we said if Bitcoin breaks 6.4K, which is way up here, we're going to have a very rapid move directly down to 3.7K, right? And that's exactly how it played out. But a lot of buyers stepped in. It's good news if you really want Bitcoin to continue up. But it has to break above this level. So how do you think it's going to play out? Let me know if you think we're going to break above this resistance level, or are we going to continue in our bull flag formation? And for how long? Let me know in the comments down below. And I want to show you one other chart. One other chart that's critical. This is a 2-day chart, 2D. This is the 2-day death cross. This is a killer. I want to discuss this on our next video, leading into the 3-day death cross, which is even more of a killer. And what I told you with this formation, we would need a catalyst to really push us down because of the amount of buyers that we saw. A catalyst would be the 3-day death cross, which is a serious killer. I want to discuss that on the next video. So make sure you subscribe right now. Look down, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss this next video, and hit the thumbs up button. Let me know how you believe these are going to play out, specifically with this one. Now, I want to get into Steve's secrets to success. If you're new here, this is what we discuss on the end of every single video to help you have more financial success, to help you achieve your dreams. Maybe you want to travel more, you want to give back more, you want to reach your goals that you've always wanted to. And I give a lot of wisdom and knowledge that's discussed around the world and all the entrepreneurship communities, but especially the things that have helped me. And it's really inspirational to a lot of people. It's become a favorite amongst a lot of folks. It's my favorite part of the show as well. But again, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and share this video in one place. Now, before we get to Steve's secrets to success, this is something we've never done in company history. I told you earlier the demand for Bitcoin classes are out of control with coronavirus, and everybody is flocking, but I do not want you left behind. So I wanted to do something to really give back during this time. So we're doing a 24-hour flash sale with an extra $500 off to help you and your family take control so you're not left behind and you can jump over the top of all these people and become a successful trader. This is the transformation you've been waiting for. So we've got the diamond and the gold. Massive savings already. 600 plus 100 is 700 plus 500 is 1200. It's massive savings. So promo code coronavirus. And again, we have payment plans. We just launched them. Brand new website, state-of-the-art learning platform for our students. The feedback has been incredible. If you want to get a single class, we're doing coronavirus number 2, coronavirus with the number 2 at the end, $100 off single classes. But again, we've got the diamond and the gold. The diamond is perfect for you if you're really new to crypto. You want to start right at step 1 without missing any important content. That's the diamond combo. First link right down in the description, or just go to cryptocruuniversity.com. Simple as that. Gold combo. If you've been in crypto for a couple years, this is where you start. It's the top seller, most popular by far. Gold combo, second link in the description, or just go to cryptocruuniversity.com. Promo code coronavirus. If you have any questions, just email me, but it better be quick. This is a flash sale, only 24 hours. you better go to the website right now, jump on this. You'll use these courses for years and years and years and years to come. And by the way, if you sign up to the gold or diamond now, you're going to unlock that free class I just made about what to invest in right now with the state of the economy. You'll get that one for free. And then I just made a bonus class about TradingView, how to set up the charts like me, how to use all of these tools like I do, how to get the charts perfect, all of that and more with a ton of tricks and tips and techniques. You'll get both of those for free right now with the gold or the diamond. So I tried to do everything humanly possible to give back, and I'm excited. I'm excited to welcome you in and see you on the other side. Crypto Crew U on the Twitter. You can go follow us there if you so choose. We do a lot of different things to help our community even more there. Make sure you're focused on the right charts. Now, let's get into it. First and foremost, I want you to stay safe during this time. This is an unprecedented time, something I've never dealt with in my life. It's something you've never dealt with in your life, but I'm here for you, and our community is here for you, and we're in this together, and eventually we will get into a better place. But in my opinion, I think it's going to be a very difficult time for the world economy for the next couple of years. This is not financial advice, but it's just my opinion. I don't see how we can come out of this even with printing a ridiculous amount of money. It's just sweeping the problems under the rug. Eventually that bubble will burst, which is incredibly important for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to come out of this on top. It's going to take, in my opinion, a couple years more for the world to really start to look for another alternative besides fiat, especially after the economy is just going to take a solid several kicks right to the shorts. It's going to be a little bit intense, but it's going to be great for Bitcoin in the long run. You guys know I love speaking about the big picture. That's my opinion about the big picture. Now, during this period, take control of your finances. I really cannot stress this enough. We talk about it in a lot of Steve's Secrets to Success. 50, 30, 20 budget breakdown. I want you to really button that up right now and get on top of your finances. This is how you become wealthy. Most people think, no, I just need to make more money. No. If you're living paycheck to paycheck now, you'll be paycheck to paycheck if you become a millionaire. It happens all the time. Whatever your situation is now, I want you to start saving twice as much money. And then when you become successful, you'll already have good habits where you'll save a lot more money, and that's how to build your wealth. You know, success is a series of small wins. As much as the media wants to hype everything up, overnight success is a series of small wins. Every single successful person will back me on that. I guarantee it. Now, I want to start doing shout outs on these videos, meaning comment down below with how my YouTube channel and my videos have impacted your life in a positive way. Maybe they've helped you with the Steve's Secrets to Success helped you, or the charts helped you, or you started to avoid the news and get clarity, or you started to look left. Whatever it is, write in the comments down below. I want to read these comments, 2 of them, on the next week's video. I want to read one from a student and one from a non-student. How my videos have helped you. I think this is important for our community, to show love to our community, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm looking forward to reading your comment. Even if you never commented before, this is your opportunity to comment and show some love for how you felt about these videos. Now, the last Steve's Secrets to Success just changed. Here's a fun fact. I already filmed this video right before here, but there was problems with the microphone, the sound. It took a long time to figure out what the problems were, troubleshooting and post-production. And I do a check with the lighting, with the sound, with the quality of the video before I even upload it. And I was jumping through hoops trying to figure out where did the problem go wrong. I don't even know if it's truly fixed, because I can't see until I end the video. So I hope this is the version you get. But the secret to success is when things go wrong, stay positive. It's happened to me so many times. When things go wrong, it's very stressful. Oh my God, how did this sound? Why is this happening to me? Why do all these bad things happen to me? Why does this go wrong? Why does that go wrong? Picture the last time you misplace your keys. It's like the world is in, oh my God, where's my key? Where did I put my keys? Obviously, you don't need your keys now. You're locked away in your home. But the point is, when something goes wrong, if you continue to stay positive, it will go right a lot quicker. And I'm living proof of this. It's happened to me so many times. If I let my anger get in the way of, oh, why is this happening? Why is this going wrong? Then things will continue to unravel and more things will go wrong. But if I laugh about it, which I did earlier, because look, I put my heart into these videos and the video is over and then I find out I have to redo all of it. It's like a kick in the shorts, but I literally laughed about it. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to stay positive. And then suddenly a solution will just come right in front of my face. And that's what happened. And I think this is a video you're getting. I don't know. I hope it is. I hope I don't need to remake it again. But the point is, in your life, when something's going wrong, just stay positive and watch what happens. It will start going in the right direction really quickly. That's my Steve's Secrets to Success today. I had a different one written down, but we'll save it for next week. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this video. Share this video in one place. This would really help us grow our community, get our message out about positivity, the power of the mind, looking at the charts, looking left, only the facts, avoiding the news, avoiding emotional opinions. These are a lot of topics that are not widely discussed in investing, and specifically in crypto. We're supposed to talk about, prices just going to the moon all the time, and that's what everyone wants to hear, but that's not our message. And also, to my point earlier, you can always count on me on Wednesday's videos. I don't care what happens. I'm a man of my word, and I'm going to get you a video no matter how many times I need to remake it or what the scenario is. If you've been watching for a long time, you probably remember some crazy scenarios where I had to jump through crazy amounts of hoops, but I still got you a video every single Wednesday. So you can always count on that. I'm a man of my word, and that's never going to change. So one more point. Wow, I almost forgot this. On the last film, I did this earlier. This is the 21 monthly moving average. I always put a little tidbit of information in the last part here. 21 month is critical. What are we doing now? How are we acting with it now? This is resistance. Why is that important? We've never played well once this becomes resistance. It's usually pretty drastic and not very pretty. It never ends well. When this becomes resistance, we move into our final capitulation. Just a point of reference, something I want to point out to you. Always get a little tidbits of information here and there. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and hope you subscribe, hit the like button, go jump on that 24-hour flash sale and leave a comment down below with how my channel has impacted you, and maybe you will have a shout out next week. Peace and love to the crypto crew. Have a beautiful day.